Happy birthday, Yakirah. Sa-da-da-da-da-da. Na-na-na-na-na. Today is your special day. The world shines bright for you. Every smile you share reminds us dreams come true. Yakirah, precious daughter, you're a blessing from above. You fill our hearts with happiness, kindness, and love. Your mom is so proud of the person you become. Your good heart and your wisdom make you shine like the sun. May God bless your journey with strength every day and guide your every step along the way. May He give you good health, more love and more wisdom too. May every dream inside your heart become reality for you. Happy birthday, Yakirah. May your life be filled with joy. Happy birthday, Yakirah. May God bless you more and more. Keep your beautiful smile, let your heart stay free. You're one of the queens of our family. Our love for you will never fade away. We're celebrating you today. You care for your little brother and sister with love. A beautiful example sent from heaven above. You're like a second mother in our family tree. A caring heart for everyone to see. DJ Nawel loves you with all his heart. The Joseph family stands by your side. Franclyn family sends you love today. The Mezidor family is proud of you every day. Stay humble, stay faithful, keep walking in the light. Success comes to those who choose what's right. Never stop believing in the dreams you hold inside. God has amazing plans prepared for your life. Happy birthday, happy birthday. May success follow everywhere you go. Yakirah, may your future always bright. Keep smiling, keep shining, keep reaching for the stars. You'll always be our shining star. Our love for you will never end. Happy birthday, dear Yakirah. We love you forever. DJ Nawel International. Need that Happy birthday, happy birthday, Yakirah. May God bless you more and more. Keep your beautiful smile, let your heart stay free. You're one of the queens of our family. Our love for you will never fade away. We're celebrating you today. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yakirah.